Hi, beautiful ladies. Welcome to D Fashion Boutique. So, I told you in the previous video that we are going to launch a semi Kanjivaram silk sarees, right? So, those who are following might know. So, here are these sarees with a unique pattern and unique designs and colors. We are going to introduce it. Semi Kanjivaram sarees, as you can see, these are lighter and more affordable alternative to the pure Kanjivaram silk sarees. And these sarees are elegant and it's very budget friendly and it's very light and weight. So I'll just show you one sari. There are four patterns. So in this sari, as you can see, we have a arrow kind of design and a straight view. So you can see this. And this is very shiny pattern. Like it's not a one color, it's like very light and light green in a one way, and it's very golden in one way. And the border is very beautiful. It's looking very pretty. All zari work has been done here. So the sari which I'm showing you is the border is navy, like dark blue color. It's very pretty. And the pallu and the blouse will be the color of this border. Okay, I'll just show you once. I'll just open it once and show you. Okay. So as you can see, this sari and this sari which I've opened, I'll just show you. This will be the pallu and this will be the blouse piece. It is not simple, but we do have a dot designs over it, like diamond kind of design has been given here. So you can see here, and the blouse will be having the border as well. So you can design it as you want to. And the pallu is very rich. It's zari work has been done, and the blue touch has been given in this sari. So this is one kind of sari, and we do have varieties of saris over here, as you can see. Okay, I'll just explain you one. This is very without any design. We have a plain silk shiny saris with a red border over here. The pallu and the blouse will be of the same color. And this is one design. Slant stripe has been given. So this is another design. Third design, and this is button shape design. Like shiny button zari work has been given over here, and the blouse or the contrast border will be there. And this is another design, kind of arrow kind of design, like diamond shaped design. Okay, so we do have varieties of saris with a limited, what I can say, like unique patterns we have brought over here. So as you can see, we have pastel colors and golden work, golden colors and baby pink colors. So there are varieties of colors over here. Follow our YouTube channel and our Instagram page as well. We do have a WhatsApp group wherein we update daily our new collections. For all the updates related to the saris, stay tuned.